Welcome. If you've ever wanted to update the About You section on your Facebook page but aren't sure how to do it with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step to make sure your Facebook profile truly represents who you are. All you'll need is your computer and a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Give it a click. Now, you're on your personal profile page. Here, you'll notice several tabs underneath your cover photo. Click on the one labeled About. This is where Facebook stores all the information about you, from your work and education to your contact details. Next, find the section called Details About You. This is where you can add a short bio or a few lines that describe who you are. Right next to the About You heading, you'll see a small edit icon. It looks like a pencil. Click on that icon and a text box will appear. Now, it's your time to shine. Type in whatever you'd like to share with your friends or followers. Maybe you want to add a favorite quote, a quick introduction, or a fun fact about yourself. Once you're happy with your update, look for the Save button and click it, and that's it. You've just updated your About You section on Facebook using your computer. It's a simple way to keep your profile fresh and let people know a little more about you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.